Hi, it's Mark from MicrosoftAccessExpert.com and WinningSolutionsInc.com, coming to you from the close of the Day 2 keynote speeches at the Microsoft 2016 Worldwide Partner Conference in Toronto, Canada. Today we heard about a number of interesting things. None of it was really too specific to the Access world, but that's okay. Now, at the end, there was a pretty cool video where one of the Microsoft demo guys actually drilled a hole in a tire and did a tire inspection. It was kind of fun. So we'll try and get you linked up to that. And they did show some forms work in things that I definitely think could mostly be done in Microsoft Access. So that was kind of cool. But they also talked, again, about the big picture stuff. And so one of the big announcements here today was that Facebook is going to actually use Office 365. Now, we don't get into Office 365 a lot, but a lot of our customers do. And it can be a great tool for doing email and getting your Office licensing and that sort of thing. And I thought it was pretty cool that Microsoft actually got Facebook to use their technology. I think that says a lot about how powerful Office 365 is. Then they went into a lot of security stuff, and in a lot of ways, for small businesses, you guys have to be careful with security because it can hurt more than it helps. If you and your 2 or 3 partners are the people that run the business, I think you're pretty much in charge of your own security, and if you decide to send out information, that's because you decided to send it out, and you don't want some AI, artificial intelligence tool telling you you can't send this information out. But, for larger organizations, or if you think that would be beneficial, Microsoft is making these tools where you can mark documents, spreadsheets, things like that as confidential, and then it won't even let you paste content from them like into a personal email account, things like that. So, that could be useful in a lot of businesses. Microsoft, made some pretty big statements today about Windows 10 and security, so they really think that Windows 10 will make you more secure. They actually mentioned that if Target, which had a big data breach, as well as Home Depot and Sony had been using Windows 10, they think those data breaches would have been prevented by Windows 10. Now, that is a very, very tall claim, and of course it's easy to say how to prevent last year's data breaches, so I take a bit of issue with that type of statement, where what we have to really worry about is how do you expect and defeat upcoming data breaches, and that's a lot harder to do. And so I think we need to take some of this information with a grain of salt, but it is impressive. Now, at the end, for people who are really into high-tech stuff, they showed what they're doing with the HoloLens with mixed reality and some pretty cool stuff with the PGA Golf Tour. That's not the kind of stuff we really get into, but if you think that's pretty cool, do a search on HoloLens PGA Golf Tour, and I'm sure you'll see some pretty cool videos of how they're integrating this mixed reality, which is different from augmented reality and virtual reality. And there may be some big applications for this down the road, but I think we're very early in the game on that, and we've got a lot of work to do to see how all of that gets sorted out. So anyway, Day 2 has begun. It's Tuesday, and now I'm off to some of the sessions, and so we'll have some videos for you from that. So hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and check back. We'll be posting more videos here as we go. Thanks, everybody.